Guys, I'm in Walmart and I'm looking through their clearance aisle, and I just picked up two of these and put them in my cart. The 3-piece combo sets, I got two of them, and these are $4. And then I got two of the oscillating sprinklers for $5. And I'm gonna go down the aisle and see what else they got. Let me see here. This is a nice plant stand. I don't know what the price is on that. They got a whole faucet timer. I'm gonna see how much this is on clearance. So let's see how much this is. I'm gonna check the price on that in a second. And then they got a bunch of pots on sale. And powered lights. Alright, so let's go price check this. That's our price checker. Alright. There's our price check thing. Let's check the price. $4.68. So we are going to get this mechanical timer for $4.68. Alright guys, so I went back and I found a little more, and these are $1. They're pretty heavyweight, so I got two of these for $1. I got two of the oscillating meters for $5. I got this whole combo set. I got two of those for $5. $4. I think those are $4. And I got this metered water timer for $5 on clearance.